Hello and welcome to my channel. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you the full process of getting the job you want from start to finish. In this video, I'm going to cover the first step, how to start applying for jobs. It can be daunting looking for jobs, and it can be very difficult to start the process. It can also be difficult to know what kind of job you want and what you will succeed in. The most important thing is to just get started. You may never feel like you are ready, and overcoming this is the hardest part. There is lots of advice out there on how to ace an interview, but you may be wondering, where do I start? I'm going to break this process down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find something you are passionate about. Finding a job can be a challenging process with setbacks along the way, so it is important to have a determined mindset and not give up, which can be made much easier by chasing something that you actually care about. Things aren't going to fall right into place straight away, so it is important to stay positive and believe that you are going to succeed. Step 2. Do some research. Whatever the field of work that you have chosen, look into it online. See what is out there. Have a look at the possibilities and what kind of careers you could pursue. It's important to get a good idea of the different paths you could take and the roads that you could end up on. If it is not something you are fully committed to, it is likely that you are going to find it difficult to stay motivated. By doing this research, you can also create a vision of where you want to end up and set yourself goals to aspire to, which is another great way of achieving success. Step 3. You need to make sure you have a CV. I'll be doing a separate video on how to make the perfect CV, so watch out for that. Once you have this, you are ready to start applying. There are countless websites out there which you can use to help find the specific job for you. It's important not to limit yourself. Don't think that there are only so many jobs you can apply for. Go for as many as you can. You want to give yourself the best chance possible of securing your dream job. If something jumps out at you, just have a go. The only thing that can come from it is either a job or a lesson that you can learn from, so you have nothing to lose. If you would like any more help on this topic, don't hesitate to send me a message or an email to the address linked in the description. Thanks for watching.